Replacing your windows is one of the smartest upgrades you can make for your Conshohocken home. New windows improve comfort, boost energy efficiency, and enhance curb appeal. However, window replacement can quickly become frustrating and expensive if common mistakes aren't avoided. Understanding what not to do helps ensure your investment delivers lasting value, especially in a climate like southeastern Pennsylvania's. Below are the most common window replacement mistakes Conshohocken homeowners should watch out for, and how to avoid them. Choosing windows based on price alone, it's tempting to select the cheapest option available, especially when replacing multiple windows. However, low-cost windows often come with poor insulation, weak frames, and limited warranties. Over time, these issues can lead to drafts, higher energy bills, and premature replacements. Instead of focusing only on upfront cost, consider long-term performance. High-quality windows may cost more initially, but they save money through better energy efficiency, durability, and fewer repairs over time. Ignoring local climate and weather conditions, Conshohocken experiences humid summers, cold winters, and frequent temperature swings. Windows that work well in other regions may not perform as effectively here. Choosing the wrong materials or glass options can lead to condensation, air leaks, and reduced comfort. Energy-efficient windows with proper insulation, low E-glass, and weather-resistant frames are better suited for Pennsylvania's climate. Selecting windows designed for year-round performance ensures comfort regardless of the season. Poor or incorrect measurements. One of the most costly mistakes homeowners make is relying on rough measurements or DIY estimates. Even small measurement errors can lead to gaps, air leaks, water intrusion, or windows that simply don't fit properly. Professional measurement ensures your replacement windows fit precisely, reducing the risk of installation issues and preserving your home's structural integrity. Accurate sizing also improves energy efficiency and appearance. Overlooking installation quality. Even the best windows won't perform well if installed incorrectly. Improper sealing, misalignment, or poor flashing can cause drafts, moisture problems, and long-term damage to walls and frames. Many homeowners focus on the window brand but underestimate the importance of professional installation. Skilled installers ensure windows are level, sealed, and secured properly, maximizing performance and lifespan. Choosing the wrong window style. While aesthetics matter, functionality should never be overlooked. Some homeowners select window styles based solely on appearance without considering ventilation, ease of use, or room placement. For example, a style that looks great may be difficult to open, clean, or maintain. The right window style should complement both your home's design and your daily needs, providing comfort and convenience. Skipping energy efficiency features. In Conshohocken, inefficient windows can significantly increase heating and cooling costs. Skipping features like insulated frames, double or triple panes, or energy-rated glass often leads to higher utility bills and reduced indoor comfort. Energy-efficient windows help regulate indoor temperatures, reduce drafts, and minimize noise. Over time, these benefits add up to noticeable savings and a more comfortable living environment. Forgetting about warranties and maintenance. Some homeowners overlook warranty details or choose windows that require high maintenance. Without proper coverage, unexpected repairs or defects can become costly. Understanding warranty terms and maintenance requirements before installation helps protect your investment. Durable, low-maintenance windows with solid warranties provide peace of mind for years to come. Making the smart choice for your home. Avoiding these common window replacement mistakes helps Conshohocken homeowners enjoy better comfort, improved efficiency, and long-lasting results. Taking the time to choose quality windows, ensure professional installation, and consider your home's specific needs makes all the difference. A well-planned window replacement isn't just an upgrade, it's an investment in your home's comfort, value, and future.